Imagine creating your own immersive digital world with limitless possibility. Hi, I'm Sukhchan Singh, CEO and co-founder at Blocktech Brew. We are an experienced and skilled team of 100 plus Unity and Unreal Engine developers, 3D artists, blockchain experts, and virtual reality specialists. To date, we have successfully built and developed world-class metaverse solutions for multiple industries like gaming, real estate, education, and retail. Our Metaverse Development Services offer you innovative virtual experiences, interactive environment, and seamless integration. All you need to elevate your brand and engage your audience in new, exciting ways. Be it virtual marketplace, an immersive social platform, or a unique gaming universe with NFT ticketing as access pass, we have the right expertise to bring your vision to life. Sign up on the link to book your free one-to-one consultation and start building your virtual world with Blocktech Brew.